Kung Fu Panda.
Okay, class, the internet connection is weak.
The
The internet connection is weak, so please write it with me. Okay, what was the question? 5 divided by 2, 5, 5. Now please solve this question and tell me the
question
answer.
is gone.
Hurry up, this question is very easy. Solve the question and tell me the answer. Hurry up, class. Hurry up, speed up. Hurry up, Ishan, Azan, Bisma, Hafsa. Hurry up, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Very good, Ayansha. Excellent. Now, rest of the class, please hurry up, speed up, class.
Ma'am, the answer is 51.
Excellent. It's correct. Now, rest of the class, please solve the question and tell me the answer. Hurry up.
Ma'am, the answer is 51.
Like this. I got this. Excellent, Ishal. Now, Sila, Azan, and who else? Ayan Khan. Hurry up, tell me, beta, what happened?
Why is I?
Solve the question and tell me. Azan.
Done. Teacher is the host now.
Done? So, what is the answer? Sila, what is the answer of this question?
Chat.
Sila, what is the answer of this question?
Answer 51.
Yep.
Sila, tell me the answer. Sila, tell me what is the answer of this question?
51.
Very good. Azan, tell me the answer.
51.
Okay, very good. Azan, tell me the answer of this question. Bisma, tell me the answer of this question.
51.
Beta, who is Bisma? Bisma and Azan, please wake up and tell me the answer.
51.
Okay, very good.
51.
Now, please do this question. 6 divided by 3, 6, 6. Hurry up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now do this question, everyone. It's your test. Hurry up. Hurry up, let's see who got full marks. Hurry up. Recall the table of 6. Hurry up, class. Very good. My brilliant class, please.
Ma'am, the
Very good,
answer is
Ayansha.
63.
Right, it's
No,
correct.
61. The
Yes,
answer
it's
is
correct. Very good. Now, rest of the class. Ayansha has done.
61.
Very good, Ayansha.
8 are.
Because only Ayansha practice these questions at home.
6 minus 6, 6.
Mama, no, did I tell you?
Hey, then.
Done? Okay, now class, tell me, have you solved the question? Solve the question?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so now I'm giving you the next question.
Yes.
7 divided by 3, 5, 8. Now do this. Hurry up, speed up. Show me the answer, Abira. 416. Beta, it's 5 written, so we
Mama,
have
know the
to...
answer.
7 1 is out, 14, 21.
ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Mama, know the answer.
5 है ना? तो हम क्या
28
लिखेंगे?
and 5
Five.
are 40.
But 5 is not present in the table of 4.
7
You have to
are
find a number which is less than 5 and it's 4. So 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 41.
9.
Okay, now do this question. Shabash. Very good.
8
Excellent. Now do the next
are.
question. Okay, now class, tell me the answer of this question. Hurry up. Speed up.
Yes.
Hurry up.
Mama, know the
I forgot the table for me.
answer.
Why you forgot the table of 7, Sila?
Mama, know the answer.
Very good, Ayansha. Superb. Sila, why you forgot the
The
table
answer
of
is
7?
51.
Recall the table of 7, Sila. Hurry up. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are...
7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, and 6 are 21, and 4 are 28. 7
yes.
5 are 40, 7 6 are 48, 7 7 are 49,
But you have to find 35, not 49.
7 8 are
Sila, beta, you have to
56.
find. Sila, you have to
7
find.
9s are 63, 10s are 70.
Okay, now listen to me. You have to find 35 in the
Ma'am?
table of 7, beta. So 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 24, 7 fours are
But are you
28.
saying?
I'm saying Farsi. I'm speaking Farsi. Persian language. Okay, listen to me. Okay, so what was the question, Sila beta? You have to find 35 in the table of 7, okay? So the question was 7 divided by 358. Sila, again, recall the table of 7. Hurry up.
6 6 2s are
It is 7. It's the table of 7, not 6.
7
Yes,
58.
7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 7 fives are
7 2s are 4.
Yes, class, 7 fives are 35. And next, what will you do? Yes, Abira, next.
6 are 42. 7
7
4
fives are 35.
7
Sila, why you are going to 49? You have to find
8
35. 7 fives are 35. Then what is left? 8 is left. Birth, 8 is not present in the table of 7.
First question in message.
I have done the fourth question.
Okay, have you solved the question? 7 divided by 358.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm giving you another question. Okay, 8 divided by 169. Now do this question. It's very simple. Hurry up.
5
It's a table of 8. Hurry up, Azan, Ishal, Bisma, Sila, hurry up.
Twos are. Twos are. And the answer is 51.
User is the horse.
Yes, 51 is the answer. It's correct. Very good. Everyone has done the question?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Twos are.
Very good.
16.
So now
Twos are 16.
okay.
Ma'am, twos are
ठीक है बेटा. Okay, it's right. It's correct. Very good. Very good. 426. Now solve this question. Hurry up. 426.
We are going up 6.
Yes, it's correct. Now what?
Twos are 16.
It's 2. It's not 7. 7 कहाँ से लाई हो?
twos are.
Okay, now solve this question and tell me the answer. Hurry up.
6 again.
Yes.
Know the answer.
Ayansha, very good. Now rest of the class, hurry up. Tell me the answer. Hurry up. Recall the table of 6 and tell me the answer.
Can I tell the answer?
No, Ayansha, not yet.
The answer is 61.
61, Sila. Do it again. 6 6 are 36, not 42. You have to find 42. Bisma, tell me the answer.
4. 42.
Bisma and Azan, please tell me the answer.
The answer is 61. No.
Sila, 6 6 are 30.
4, but
You have to
6
find
are.
42.
Ma'am? 42. 7s are 42.
Very good. Do it. Abhi I'm solving the one question, you have to solve the other question. So beta घर में किताब खोलनी पड़ती है कभी-कभी. It's 4 plus 5. Simply you can do this like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now 2 here is there any number here? No. So 2 plus nothing is 2. Okay. बेटा ये 1 क्लास के बच्चों को भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. Hurry up, rest of the class, tell me the answer. समझ आइए? Now do this. 1, 6, 3. Hurry up. Okay, 6 7s are 42. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now only 6 is left. We will take down the 6. And 6 1s are 6. Okay? Everyone has got the same
So the
answer?
answer is 71.
Very good. Yes. Do the addition again, Abira. Hurry up.
Done, ma'am.
6 plus 3. Do it again, Shabash. Very good. Now draw 6 lines here. Done, Azan?
Annual answer was 71.
Very good. Okay, so now who's going to tell me the table of 8? These questions are enough. Now tell me that. Okay, one more question. Wait, one more question. Wait.
I'm going to tell you the whole table of 8 because I know it.
Okay. First, please solve this question. I remember one more question. 4 divided by 3, 7, 6. Now, please, let's see. Solve the question. Very good.
I know the table of.
Yes, now please solve this question and tell me the answer.
Last question.
Yes, it's the last question. Solve this. And tell me the answer, hurry up. Hurry up, tell me the answer, please.
R7.
First, tell me, is 37 present in the table of 4?
Yes.
Ma'am, 94 is the answer.
Beta, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's totally wrong. No, it's right. It's right. Sorry, it's right. Very good, Ayansha. Very good. Okay, now tell me, is 37 present in the table of 4?
No.
Ayansha, you don't, please tell me. Please be quiet. Rest of the class, tell me, is 37 present in the table of 4?
I'm writing.
No, ma'am.
So what you will do? Tell me, so what we will do?
No, ma'am.
Class, why don't you know these questions?
The answer is 49, 92, 84. I'm just mixing up numbers to make a question answer.
No, shame on all of you. We have done a lot of these questions and still you don't know how to solve these questions. 37 is not present in the table of 4. So what we will do? We have to find a number which is less than 37. What is less than 37?
It is 36. 36
Yes,
is present.
so, yes. What you are
36
waiting for?
is
Hurry up.
present. Thirty-six. And the answer.
Now tell me.
The answer will be
Sila, hurry up. 36.
the answer
5 plus-
61. The answer is 61.
What you did, Bida?
Ma'am, is the answer 61?
5 plus 6 is 11. 1 here, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. And what about carry? Then who will add this? Yes, Sila, 4 4s are 36 because 37 is not present in the table of 4. So we have to find a number which is less than 37 and it's 36.
And 36 is present in the table of 4.
Yes, so 4 4s. Yeah, wait. Wait.
4.
No, 4 4 is not. 4 9s are 36. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 is left, so we will take down the 6. Now 1 6 16 and 4 4s are 16. Yes. Extra
There is
class.
94. Yay.
Behind us questions. Now, Bira, 5, 9, 3, 2.
Ma'am,
Bira, do you want?
let's not at that. Like, let's see.
Okay, so 4 9s are 36, 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 6 is left. We will take down the 6, now it becomes 16, 4 4 is 16. बेटा आपको division के सारे questions आते हैं, but you don't know these type of questions, so practice this kind of question at your home, okay? Practice more and more questions. I have gave you homework, okay? You have to
Okay,
solve the
ma'am.
questions, okay? I have gave you some questions and you all have to solve those questions, okay? Very good.
Okay.
Now it's correct. Now 6, 4, 2, 1. It's subtraction. First tell me, will you take carry or not? What is the rule for carry when
Carry.
you take carry?
Even a question is smaller, like 7 minus 9.
Very good.
So
Salam.
then you would take a carry from the other 9.
Yes, you are right. We take carry when the number is less, but 4 is more or less than 2? More than 2. Then there is no need to
More.
do it.
So
Okay,
then,
now,
for
Sila, Asma, Ayancha, and everyone, Isha, listen to me. You don't know how to solve these type of questions. Please practice these type of questions at your home. Okay, listen to me. In this question, the question is 376, but 37 is not present in the table of 4. So we have to find a number which is less than 37. And what is less than 37? It's 36. So 4 9s are 36. Then we simply will do subtraction and we will take down 6. 1 6 is 16 and 4 4s are 16. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving you one more question if you got this, okay? Very good. Okay?
Tell me.
Now tell me, 6 is more or less than 9? Less. So what will you do? Okay, now one more question. It's the last question and you have to do it by yourself. I will not solve this, okay?